Welcome guys. This is Infinix Hot 50 Pro. Make space with blade between back cover and body. Remove back cover with X-ray or with plastic paper. Eject SIM tray from the phone. Remove all the screw. Remove inner body and do not damage power button flex. Disconnect flex connector. Remove ringer buzzer. Disconnect battery connector. Remove battery with X-ray. Install battery in the body. Connect battery connector. Install ringer buzzer. Install inner body and connect power button flex connector. Put back all the screw. Insert SIM tray in the phone. Apply gum around back cover of the phone. Install back cover of the phone. Must use rubber bands for good fitting. Remove rubber bands after 2 hours. Thank you for watching.